Hello everyone. Today we're gonna start a new series. In this new series, I'm gonna teach you Python from scratch. Okay. So in this first video, we're just gonna talk about how to download Python and setting it up, like all the stuff you know. So at the beginning, just go to the official Python website. It's called python.org. Don't worry, I'm gonna link all the links in the download description Okay. So at the beginning, just go to download and download Python 3.9.1. Just press it here if you have Windows. If you have like Mac OS or Linux, you can just press here and you can gonna get all the other versions. Okay, it's very easy to do. One thing to notice is when you're gonna download this, there's gonna be like a checkbox. It is said there, um, add to path. You need to check it, please. Just do it. Now, after downloading Python, I'm not going to do it because I already have it downloaded on my system. So now we're gonna go and download a text editor. It's called Sublime Text. We can go and download PyCharm. PyCharm is an IDE. It's not a code editor. It is like it's more heavyweight. It is used from big companies to do like big projects. Okay. Just for this video and for this series, we're gonna write some basic code, some simple code. We don't need to use an IDE, and also they are more complex and more hard to use. But Sublime Text is very easy and very simple. Okay, so just download it. It's very easy to use. Don't worry. I'm not gonna do it because I already have it. After downloading Python, you need to restart your system, and then you go to PyCharm. After going to PyCharm, to start a new project, we need to create a new folder. Go here and say open folder. If you don't have a folder, just create a new one. I'm going to desktop first. Create a new folder. Just name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it YouTube tutorial. Okay, just go inside and set that folder. Here I have the side panel. I think to see this, you don't see this in the default version. You need to go, I think, view and sidebar, and it's gonna show here like show sidebar. Yes, it's gonna be like this. Just go and view sidebar, show sidebar to see the folders and the files. It's very helpful to have this. To start, just press new file and save that new file. Just call it whatever you want. I'm gonna call it main.py. It's very important to use this what we call it, forget. It's important to use the .py. I forget the name. You need to have it so we can define this file as a Python file. Okay, you understand? Just save it, and you see here it says now Python. To test if this is working, we're gonna just make a simple line of code. It is Python, of course. Just print. So the print function, you see it says function. The print function, it prints on the console, on the terminal. Okay, just add two brackets and a double quote or a single quote. It's the same in Python. And just type whatever you want. We're gonna do the classic hello world. Okay, to run this code, we go here, not project, tools, build system. It should say automatic. If for some reason it doesn't want to work, you can just select Python and then build. When you press build, it says hello world. Maybe if it doesn't want to work, you can just go tools and build with and just debug the whole thing. Select Python and it should work, as you see. So that's it for this video. The next one, we're gonna talk more about the syntax, the variables, the functions, loops, everything you need to learn in Python. Okay. Please, if you like this video and if you are excited for more, just press the like and subscribe. It really helped me to grow this channel. Thank you and see you in the next one. Bye bye.